9 Useful Ways to Control Sound in Windows 10. Back in the day, there were very few ways you could control the volume on your Windows computer. However, Windows 10 plays well with smartphones, remote desktop connections, different software fixes, and more. Now there are more ways to control the volume in Windows 10 than ever before. Hippo Remote Lite is a free iOS app that gives you remote control of your Windows 10 machine. Hippo Remote Lite offers a decent range of functionality for free. You can easily turn your iOS device into a Windows 10 remote control. Control the volume on your Windows 10 machine using the volume switch on your iOS device or the slider within the Hippo Remote Lite app. Volume control is far from the only thing Hippo Remote Lite does. You can use it as a keyboard or media controller. Plus it has support for Boxee, XMBC, and Plex. Next up, you can use PC Remote for Android to control the sound on your Windows 10 machine. Like Remote Mouse, you install PC Remote to your Android device and a server version to your Windows 10 desktop or laptop. You can then make a connection using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, controlling the sound of your Windows 10 machine direct from your Android device. Control the volume on your Windows 10 machine using the volume switch on your Android device or the slider within the PC Remote app. PC Remote has a bunch of extensive functionality, too. For instance, it has numerous built-in game controller configurations so you can use the PC Remote to control your favorite games. It has integrated file transfers, direct streaming from your Android device camera to your Windows machine, app launch support, specialized keyboards, and much more. Trumpet is a fantastic piece of open source software that gives you vastly more control over Windows 10 volume control. The single best feature of Trumpet is the control you have over multiple audio input and outputs for a single system. Instead of having to use the control panel or Windows 10 settings, Trumpet creates an individual volume panel for each audio device. Better still, it integrates perfectly with Windows 10, appearing as a native Windows application. Another ridiculously handy feature is dragging and dropping applications playing audio into different audio devices. Plus the control over the volume of those individual apps. Most people aren't aware that Windows offers a way to change volume on a per-app basis, but there's also a third-party app that makes it even easier to do. At times, you may need to restrict the volume range available to Windows 10 users. GreenNatureSoft's Speaker Locker does just that. Speaker Locker has 4 options. Best of all, you can combine those volume limits with operation times. For instance, you can set the volume level to remain below 50% between 6 a.m. and midday, but then above 75% from midday until 5 p.m. Speaker Locker has administrative passwords so that other users cannot disable it. You can also set Speaker Locker to start with Windows to make sure it is always in place. You can control the volume in Windows 10 using your mouse wheel. NatureSoft's VoluMouse lets you use your mouse wheel to control the system volume. VoluMouse works best in conjunction with another trigger button, rather than just on its own. For instance, you can set VoluMouse to work only when you hold down right control, or when the mouse cursor is hovering over a certain part of the screen, and so on. NatureSoft has also developed some plugins that allow you to control the active window or open and close the door of your CD-ROM, DVD with the mouse. 3RVX is an open-source on-screen display for Windows 10. It features a decent range of customizable on-screen volume controls. Tray notifications. Another handy features. Rainmeter is a free and open-source desktop customization tool for Windows. Developers sometimes create incredible Rainmeter skins, including usage meters, audio controls, calendars, applets, and more. I haven't tinkered with Rainmeter for several years, up to the point of writing this article, so seeing some of the latest custom designs was illuminating. Audio Switcher is a very simple Rainmeter skin that allows you quickly swap between your headphones and speakers. Radian Linear Visualizer is a live audio visualization applet for your desktop complete with auto-updating album covers and a bunch of other customization options. Vol knob adds a simple volume knob to your desktop that you turn by scrolling your mouse wheel, similar functionality to Neursoft's Volumouse. Other Rainmeter skins come with integrated audio and volume control features. There are a lot of Rainmeter skins out there, and a huge number of plugins and applets too, so you will find something that suits your requirements. Get your Rainmeter desktop customization journey underway with our simple guide to Rainmeter. AutoHotkey lets you create custom keyboard macros. You can program AutoHotkey to control your Windows 10 volume settings. The following basic script allows you to turn your Windows volume up and down using Windows key plus page up and Windows key plus page down. You don't have to stop there. The AutoHotkey sound set document details how to customize the script further. You can add controls to mute, control the bass, treble, bass boost, and many other features. Interested in learning more about AutoHotkey? Check out Ian Buckley's quick AutoHotkey guide for beginners. AutoHotkey is a powerful free and open-source Microsoft Windows tool that can automate repetitive tasks. Learn how to use it here. Your final Windows 10 volume control option is Stroke Plus. Strokes Plus is a free mouse gesture recognition tool. Using Strokes Plus, you can program a custom mouse gesture to control your Windows 10 volume. Strokes Plus is relatively intuitive. In most cases, you hold down your right mouse key and draw your gesture. For volume control, you could draw a U for volume up and a D for volume down. You can take it further with modifications, extensions, adding in the mouse wheel, and much more. You can now control the volume in Windows 10 using your smartphone. Using a mouse gesture, with an interactive custom desktop skin, and many more options in between. Some people don't like the Windows 10 volume control. If that sounds like you, why not follow Ben Stegner's quick guide to getting the old Windows volume control back? Want to get an old school Windows 7 volume slider in Windows 10? You can enable it without downloading anything. Here's the trick. Text source, makeuseof.com.